Hey guys, Alex Ryan here. So today we're going to be talking about samples, all right? So you may be wondering what samples are. Let's say, for example, you have found your product. So you've done the research, you've found your product. So you found your product, you've done your research, you know it's trending, you know it's actually selling right now on Amazon. The next step after that is you've got to do something called sampling. And what that means is sampling is simply sampling, here you go, a sample, right? So I don't know if I spelled that correctly, but sampling, it's basically you get a sample of it. Here's an example of a sample, right? This thing right here. It's an electric wine opener. And this particular product is actually a relatively newish product. It's a product that if you have a bottle of wine, you basically put it on, you press a button and it pulls the cork out. We all hate opening wine, right? So this is actually a sample. So we got it. We wanted to figure out a few things, right? By buying this sample. We wanted to find out, first of all, we wanted to know whether or not it's got good quality, right? So quality. Okay. Is it a decent product? Is it something that if a customer bought this particular product, would they be happy with it? And you've got to ask yourself, right? So when you get this sample in, right? Just open it up right here. Just get this here. There we go. So I'm opening it up and I'm treating myself as a customer. I don't know what that is, bit of plastic, right? Here we go, nice and neat. It's opening up, well packaged. It's in its wrapper, as you can sort of see here. It's in its wrapper. It's got a USB charger, which is awesome. Okay, and nice and clean. There's no tarnishes. There's nothing wrong with it, right? It actually is very clean. And does it work? Oh, see that? It works, all right? It didn't blow up on me. So guess what? It's a successful sample, right? And I'll look at a few things. I'll look at the packaging. Now, do I need to actually package? It's got a few things in here. It's got the Made in China sticker, right? Which is something you need on all the products. You need the Made in China stamp on the packaging. It's got features right here, which is good, right? Do I need to do customized packaging for this? You probably don't. You actually probably don't need to do anything to this originally, right? If you wanted to customize this, you could do it on a second order. But anyway, we're getting off point here. So the point of this was, in sampling, you test the quality, right? You then look at the packaging. Is it something that you need to change? Is it something, are you happy with it? Is it something that you want to do something called OEM, which stands for Other Equipment Manufacturer. So you can have your own customized logo on this particular product if you want. Now, originally, what I tell my students is you don't need to do that. You don't necessarily need to, on the first go, your first order, you don't need to do your logo. You just want to make sure that you can sell it, right? So we do small quantities. You get it up on Amazon, Amazon USA, Amazon Europe, Amazon Australia, right? And you want to make sure it sells. Now the second order is where you do your own logo, right? So sampling, check the quality, check the packaging, all right? Check whether or not the arrival time, right? So you look at the time it takes for the product to arrive at your doorstep. If I ordered this and it took, I don't know, a month, 2 months for it to arrive, right? And I opened it up and it was all, it was just, I told the supplier, guys, can you send it to me in the next 5 days, right? And it took a month. Would you work with that supplier? With that supplier, are you building trust with the supplier? And the answer is probably not, right? Because you asked for it in 5 days, it took a month, it means they're probably not listening to your instructions. That's what something, the whole process of sampling is testing out the supplier. Is this somebody that you can work with? Is this somebody that you can trust? And so you look at the arrival time, the timing of the particular product, right? You want to make sure that it arrives on time. So that's the process for sampling, right? You just want to be happy with this sample. Now, if you got this sample and there was like a little mark on the box, right? And you're like, hey, what the hell? What's going on? There shouldn't be this mark on the box, right? I would actually bring it up with the supplier. I would say, hey guys, I love the product, but there's a mark on the box. Can you make sure that before packing anything and you send it to the warehouse under my name, make sure there's no marks on the box, right? So this is the reason why you do the sampling process. So hopefully that made sense, guys. If you have any questions, give us a call in the office, 02-8003-7534. If you're looking to get something started on Amazon, make sure you connect with us as well. We've got a free training at our website which guides you through the entire process from finding products. Here we go. doing the research. The biggest challenge people have initially is the products, right? They don't know what products are selling. They don't know what is trending. What are people typing into Amazon to buy, right? So we help you with finding the products. We help you with the research, the trending, finding suppliers, right? We actually help you with that process, right? Making sure that the supplier is a quality supplier, making sure that the supplier is actually going to give you a great quality product, right? And the process to listing a product, branding it with your own logo, headlines, bullet points, the keywords, right? Branding, PPC, eBay, socials, all that sort of stuff. We guide you through the whole process. So guys, give us a call in the office. 02 8003 7534 is the Australian phone number. We've got a New Zealand phone number as well. Give us a call on that. And I would love to work with you. I'd love to be your mentor, your guide to getting you fully listed on Amazon and building your business from scratch. Have a great day.